Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change ship commander in World of Warships. To do this, first we'll need to click on our commander right here, then change commander, and now you'll see a list of all of the commanders that you have available. You can click on them and then click yes to reinsert that commander, but it's at some point you will need to pay for it. So for example, this one costs 500. We can also go for the free training or for elite retraining with this currency right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.